Good morning, class, and happy Monday. We are now in week 2 of the semester. So last week you got introduced to the course, you read through the syllabus, you worked through the week 0 and week 1 modules, and you submitted your discussion 1 and your quiz 1. So now we're going into week 2, and we're going to start talking about what the steps are in the career exploration process. So you're going to continue reading through chapter 5, the Student Success OER. And this week we're going to be focusing on the first 2 steps, which are assessment and interpretation. So the 5 steps of the career exploration that we're going to be covering in the next couple of weeks are assessment, interpretation, research, application, and then follow-up. So what does assessment mean? So assessment is that you're going to be basically getting to know who you are, who you really are. You're going to be doing an assessment in as part of your discussion 2 this week. And the next 3 weeks of your discussions are going to be smaller assignments that you're going to submit all together, as well in a bigger assignment for your career exploration reflection paper, which is worth 100 points. So for this week, you're going to be working on assessment and interpretation. So for assessment, you want to get to know yourself and the things you're truly passionate about. You are going to gather information about your career-related interests and values. You're going to be thinking about what skills and abilities come naturally to you and which ones you want to develop. And then you're going to be considering your personality type and how you want that to play out in your role at work. So we're all unique individuals. Each of us have our own distinct combinations of our likes, our dislikes, personality traits, and skills. So through the online assessment that you're going to be doing, it's going to be part of this process of self-discovery, self-evaluation, then focusing on our interests and analyzing and differentiating the individual career traits that each of us have and our personality type and vocational characteristics and how that can connect to maybe a job that will interest us. So first you'll be doing an assessment, and I'll be going over that in the next lecture video for this week, where I'll go through the discussion 2 assignment. So first you'll be doing an assessment, evaluating your interests, and then you have to interpret those assessment results. So you're going to be understanding, what do those assessment results mean? You're going to be looking at, based on the assessment, what is it stating that your personality type is? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What kinds of interests and skills are connected to your personality type based on the assessment? How do you feel about the results? Do they align with your interests, values, skills, and abilities? Why or why not? So first you'll be doing an assessment and then interpreting it. And this will be the first 2 steps you're doing in the career exploration process. With career exploration, it's really important to evaluate who you really are and how you can connect your strengths to a career. For example, I am a very good listener. I'm empathetic. I like to help others. So I knew in my career exploration process that I really wanted to find a career that I was going to be able to help others and be able to be a listener and empathetic. And that really is one of the things that I love about being a counselor in an academic setting, that I really get to help students. So we're going to focus on these first 2 steps, and in the next video, I'm going to explain what you're going to be needing to do for your discussion this week and for your assignments.